Good morning, students. Now in the morning we had discussed about the chromosomal aberration, and chromosomal aberration may take place by number or by structure. Now we have come to the changes in number of chromosome. Changes in chromosome number, and we have discussed also the two different species having the same chromosome number, but they are different from each other because of the presence of hereditary material or genes on the chromosome. Now next we have discussed also that one, what do you mean by numerical chromosomal aberration, or it is also called ploidy. When the chromosome number will be changed or altered from the diploid set of chromosome. Diploid set of chromosome to a number of chromosome may be increased or may be decreased by addition or elimination or deletion of individual chromosome or basic set of chromosome. This condition is known as numerical. It's related to number. Chromosomal aberration, or it is also called ploidy. There are two types of ploidy. What are the two types? First one is called aneuploidy. Second one is called the euploidy. So what do you mean by aneuploidy? This is a chromosomal aberration involving individual chromosome within a diploid set. Involving individual chromosomes within a diploid set. That means with the diploid set, suppose 2n number of chromosomes, sometimes it may increase +1 or 2n minus. Only one chromosome. Anyone, maybe suppose human being chromosome 46 chromosome is there, 2n is equal to 23, and 20, suppose 12 number of chromosome number 12 is deleted, so -1. At the same time, chromosome number 12, chromosome number 13 also deleted, so 2n -1 we have to write. We cannot write 2n -2. Why? 2n -2 means one total set has been decreased, but it is indicating that two different chromosomes are deleted. That's why you have, that is called the negative means chromosome number decreased. Positive symbol means chromosome number has been increased. So with the diploid set of chromosome, when the chromosome number will be increased or decreased, that is called the aneuploidy. Individual chromosomes, any one or two, will be increased or decreased, which is called the aneuploidy. Euploidy, it is also chromosomal aberration involving entire set of chromosome. Ploidy, chromosome number will be increased with total set of chromosomes. Suppose haploid number of chromosome n, haploid, diploid number of chromosome 2. Total set is increasing, n is considered as haploid set, total set of chromosome. So it is 2n plus n, 3n, like 4n. Total set of chromosome will be increased, not individual chromosome. Individual chromosome, it is called aneuploidy. Total set of chromosome increasing, it is called the euploidy. Now we are going to discuss what do you mean. Just now I have told it is a condition in which the diploid number is altered either by addition or deletion. I told addition or deletion of one or more chromosome. If it is one chromosome, 2n -1. If it is two chromosomes, 2n -2. If it is three chromosomes, 2n -1 -1. If total set, suppose one diploid, one pair of set, a pair of chromosome has been removed, in that case 2n -2. Two pairs, 2n -2 -2. Like that way we are saying. So organisms showing aneuploidy are known as aneuploids. So what I told, from the diploid set of chromosome, any individual chromosome or one or more individual chromosomes are added or deleted is called the aneuploidy. And the organisms are called the aneuploids, or they are also called the heteroploids. There are two types, hyperploidy, hypoploidy. Hyper means what? When chromosome number will be added. Hypo means when chromosome number will be reduced. So if we keep in this in our eyes, if we keep, suppose ploidy, it is a two types, aneuploidy and the euploidy. Aneuploidy, it is a two types, hyperploidy and hypoploidy. Hyperploidy, see, chromosome number is increasing, 2n +1, it is called trisomy. 2n +1 +1, double trisomy. Now two chromosomes have been present in 3 sets. So with diagram it is there. Tetrasomy. Tetrasomy means the one chromosome is having, suppose chromosome number 12, generally homologous pair, it is 2 more sets. Tetrasomy, 4 sets are. Tetra means 4. 2n with homologous chromosome, 2 more added. So total 4, it is called tetrasomy. Double tetrasomy, suppose this is 12 chromosome number. 13 chromosome number, also 4 sets are there. 13 chromosome number. So it is called double trisomy. 2 chromosomes present in 4 individual chromosomes. That's why it is called the double tetrasomy. Pentasomy, 1 chromosome present in 5 sets. So how will diploid set along with 3 will be added. So it is 5. That's why. Tetrasomy, how it is with diploid set with 2 will be added. That's why you should know, you cannot add 2 and already 2 is there and again 4. It is not, then it will be 6. But with diploid set homologous chromosome, 2 will be added. So 4 chromosomes are the tetrasomy. So any individual chromosome, either 2 sets, 3 sets or 4 sets will be increasing. Accordingly the term is 4 are increasing, means it is called hexaploidy. Hexasomy it is called. But in your book till it has been given the pentasomy. Chromosome number, why it is 3? Now already diploid set is there, 2 chromosomes are there, along with 3 has been added. So total 5 chromosome in chromosome number 12. So it is called pentasomy. Now next we are going to discuss about the hypoploidy. I told that hypo means chromosome number will be reduced. Monosome, that is called the monosomy, 2n minus 1. So chromosome number 12, only 1 is there. Instead of 2, 1 is there. So 2n minus 1 we have to write. Double monosomy, 2n minus 1 minus 1. Next one, it is a nullisomy. Nullisomy, 1 total set had been deleted. So chromosome number 2. So chromosome or 3. Chromosome number 3, 2 were there, totally deleted. So 2n minus 2 in this case, nullisomy. 2 sets of chromosome have been deleted, double nullisomy, 2n minus 2 minus 2. You can see that one, double nullisomy. So this way we are expressing. Now next, these are all called the hypoploidy. Hyperploidy and hypoploidy together it is called the aneuploidy. Now this is the expression. Only you keep in your memory this schematic presentation. What is the expression, that will be enough. Hyperploidy, addition of 1 or more chromosomes in the diploid set is called the hyperploidy. Diploid set of chromosomes represented as disomy. Hyperploidy can be divided into 3 types: trisomy, tetrasomy, pentasomy. Trisomy means what I have told. Now 1 diploid set of chromosome is there. Suppose chromosome number 2 are there, along with 1 more will be added. So it is 3 sets we can see that. So that we are writing 2n plus 1. So addition of single chromosome to the diploid set is called the simple trisomy, 2n plus 1. Trisomics were first reported by Blakislee in 1910 in Datura stramonium, that is Jimson weed. But later it was reported in Nicotiana pisum and Inothera. Sometimes addition of 2 individual chromosomes, I told 2n plus 1 plus 1, 2 individual chromosomes from different chromosomal pairs to normal diploid set, it is called the double trisomy. In that case it is called 2n plus 1 plus 1. Now tetrasomy, I told 2n plus 2. So addition of a pair or 2 individual pairs of chromosomes to the diploid set, it is called the tetrasomy or double tetrasomy. So 2n plus 2 plus 2. 2n plus 2 simple tetrasomy, double tetrasomy means 2n plus 2 plus 2. All possible tetrasomics are available in wheat example. Now pentasomy, 2n plus 3, addition of 3 individual chromosomes from the different chromosomal pairs to the normal diploid set are called the pentasomy. If you see here, what I told, it is the disomy, diploid set. Here it has been reduced. It has been reduced means it is called the monosomy. Here 2 chromatids have been, so double monosomy, it is 2n minus 1 minus 1. Next one you can see, it is called the full set has been removed. So it is called the nullisomy. From this total set has removed. So that it is called nullisomy. What is the chromosomal constitution? 2n minus 2. Here, that is, this is called the hypoploidy. This is hyperploidy. If you see, this is the diploid set. One chromosome has been 3 pairs. That is called trisomy. 3 numbers. So 2n plus 1 trisomy. 2 chromosomes, 3 in number. 2n plus 1 plus double trisomy. Here tetrasomy. This is called pentasomy. So 2n plus 3. So like that way we are writing the chromosomal constitution. Now next part we are going to discuss about the hypoploidy. Hypoploidy, just now I had shown also, loss of one or more chromosome from the diploid set in the cell is called the hypoploidy. It can be divided into 2 types, monosomy and nullisomy. Monosomy means loss of single chromosome from the diploid set is called the monosomy, and there loss of 2 individuals or 3 individuals accordingly. Double monosomy, triple monosomy it is called. Double monosomy means 2n minus 1 minus 1. Triple monosomy means 2n minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. 3 minus 1 will be triple monosomy. So double monosomies are observed in maize. Nullisomy, total set, loss of a pair of homologous chromosomes or 2 chromosomes from the diploid set. 2 pairs of homologous chromosomes. If one pair of homologous pair is removed, it is called the nullisomy. 2 means double nullisomy. It is called 2n minus 2 minus 2. Selfing of monosomic plants produce nullisomics. They are usually lethal. So till here. Okay, thank you children.